Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Airtel number is active and you have either talk/SMS balance or mobile data. Open Wink Music or the Airtel Thanks app and sign in with your Airtel number. This links your account to the Caller Tune service. Once signed in, search for the YouTube song title or paste the song details. Wink shows equivalent tracks licensed for Caller Tune use. Make sure you select the exact track version so you don't pick a live or cover unintentionally. Now you find the licensed track Wink or Airtel provides as the legitimate counterpart to the YouTube song. Preview the clip to verify it's the right version, and then tap Set as Caller Tune or buy/activate depending on the app wording. You will be asked to confirm payment. Choose Airtel Balance, UPI, or the in-app wallet. Once you authorize payment, the system processes the activation and assigns the clip to your number. Keep the confirmation message for reference. Complete the process by waiting for the SMS confirmation that the Caller Tune is active. This can take a few minutes. If it doesn't start, restart your phone or toggle airplane mode to refresh network provisioning, and then check My Tunes in the app. If the wrong track plays, deactivate that tune in the app and repeat selection for the correct file. If issues persist, contact Airtel support with your confirmation SMS. They can reprovision the service or refund the activation charge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.